Greetings, I'm Heather Charamello, and welcome to my elevator pitch on the northern long-eared bats and the impact of the white nose syndrome. The northern long-eared bat is native to North America and occupies some of southern Canada. They are a social species and live in groups called colonies. Their physical adaptations of the northern long-eared bats are dark brown fur, a long tail, long narrow ears. They are about 3 to 3.5 inches in length, and they have a wingspan that can go up to 10 inches. Northern long-eared bats are nocturnal and are insectivorous, playing a huge role in the ecosystem in controlling the insect population. They use echolation to detect prey, and their big ears are an advantage of this. They are one of the slowest reproducing mammals, only producing one offspring a year with delayed fertilization. They mate in the fall before hibernation, and the egg gets implanted in the springtime. These versatile mammals have some flexibility in their habitat choices throughout different seasons, but their survival depends on specific environmental factors. During spring and summer, they prefer to live in mature, large forested areas, roosting in trees under the loose bark and within tree cavities, crevices, or amongst clumps of leaves, and within proximity to a water source. They drink frequently, and it has rich food sources. They will hibernate in caves, mines, or tunnels with stable cold temperatures that usually range from 34 to 41 degrees Fahrenheit, and high humidity for the hibernation season. Cool environments assist in reducing metabolic rates, and conserving energy, and high humidity levels are vital to avoid drying out during the hibernation period. The images show the roosting sites for the spring and summer, and the hibernation sites for the fall and winter. Aside from their habitats being destroyed, the northern long-eared bat population has been devastated by the infectious white nose syndrome, killing millions of bats in North America since 2006. 90% of the population has died from this disease. White nose syndrome is a fungal disease that thrives in cold and humid environments like caves and mines where bats choose to hibernate. This white fuzzy fungus grows on the nose and ears and wings of bats, disrupting their hibernation time. This disease can spread through bat-to-bat interaction and on surfaces, which makes it hard to contain. White nose syndrome disrupts these homeostatic processes in significant ways. The fungus irritates the skin and causes bats to wake up more frequently, which increased arousal leads to higher metabolic rates and faster depletion of fat reserves. As of now, there are not many treatment options available to the wild population of northern long-eared bats, but many are being tested and have been deemed successful. Captured bats with the disease are treated with antifungal agents. These antifungal drugs have shown some promise in treating white nose syndrome. They work by targeting the fungal cell membrane, which disrupts its function. UV light exposure, specifically UVC, treatment targets the DNA of the fungus, causing damage. This method takes advantage of the fungus's sensitivity to ultraviolet radiation. Conservation efforts for the endangered northern long-eared bat include protecting popular roosting and hibernation sites, capture for treatment with antifungals and fluid IVs, use of UV lights in caves and mines to reduce the growth of the fungus, and precautions have been implemented for any humans visiting near roosting and hibernation sites, like disinfecting clothing to slow the spread of the fungus. Thank you.